Snowflake extension for VS Code. And so first of all, what is if you don't know what it is, VS Code, that's a Visual Studio Code. Those who coming from Microsoft and Visual Studio environment, maybe the team is using, this might be another option to go with for working in Snowflake. It's not that you can work in Snowflake, but it's also IDE, right? So it's integrated environment that you integrates a GitHub, integrates other extensions for you so you can actually work in your preferred language and switch to Snowflake. For instance, maybe you develop in Python. You might want to do a standalone Python and then switch to Snowflake Python supported functions and procedures, for instance. So there's that, but really, it's also a free open source code editor developed by Microsoft. As I said, you get support for various languages in addition to Python. Anything could be JavaScript, C++, although C++ would not work in Snowflake. It does come with a lot of built-in, over the years developed features that are refined. So we're talking about syntax highlight. There's intelligent code completion, IntelliSense, which I think is still superior to what Snowside has. There's code refactoring, there's debugging, there's the customizations that we have it. And here we show in left and right, the dark and light theme of the editor. So you can choose the themes of your editor. It does support, as I mentioned, also supports a lot of extensions, and we'll touch on that as well in the demos. It does, so why would you want to use it? Again, it's another option, as I mentioned, if you're in a team with the Microsoft team, maybe based Microsoft development, or the team that used Visual Studio, it might be a good transition for you as well. What would be other benefits of this, right? So there is integrated Snowflake features. You integrate also GitHub into it. You have a better code management to keep Snowflake scripts organized along other code. You do have some enhanced collaboration here available. It's not a proper Visual Studio IDE per se, where team collaboration is more extensive, but there's things like you could do a chat on your files changes through GitHub extension. So there's that involved. So all of that allows you to stream development process, right?